Watch all grammar videos of this lesson before watching this video.
Assalamu alaikum. And this is lesson 10 of Medina Arabic Reader, book 1, last chapter. See this. I'm going to read the text. Ad-Darsul Ashiru, lesson 10. And it is a conversation between Hamid and Muhammad. Hamid is asking, Man anta? Man means who, anta means you. Who are you? Muhammad. Ana talibun bil jami'ati. I'm student at the university. Ba is also a preposition that gives kasra to the last letter. Means at. I'm student at the university. Hamid is saying, Anta talibun jadidun. Are you a new student? Muhammad. Naam. Ana talibun jadidun. Yes, I am a new student. So again and again I'm not going to use the names, just I'm reading the main text of conversation. Min aina anta? Where are you from, or from where are you? In both the way you can translate. So from where are you? Ana min al Hindi. I am from India. Ma ismuka? Or you can ask masmuka, because this is hamzatul wasl. You can drop this, the alif which does not have hamza on it, we can drop that or we can omit that. Masmuka, what's your name? Here a possessive pronoun is used. Ismun plus ka, ismuka. Masmuka, what's your name? Ismi Muhammadun, my name is Muhammad. See, ye means my. What does ya do? That ye gives its sign to the earlier letter and it becomes silent. So ismi Muhammadun, my name is Muhammad. Waman hadha al-fata alladhi ma'aka? And who is this young boy? Al-fata means young boy. Who is this young boy that is with you? Or who is with you, or that is with you? Muhammad is saying, Huwa zamili. He is my friend. Ahuwa aizan min al Hindi? Is he also from India? La, huwa min al Yaban. No, he is from Japan. Masmuhu or ma ismuhu. Masmuhu, usually it is read by the native speakers. Masmuhu. So, what is his name? What is his name? Ismuhu Hamzatu. His name is Hamza. Ma lughatuka ya Muhammadu? What's your language, O Muhammad? Muhammad is saying, Lughati al-Urduyatu. My language is Urdu. Hamidun, Ahiya lughatun sahlatun? Is it an easy language? Naam. Hiya lughatun sahlatun. It is an easy language. Wa Hamzatu ma lughatuhu? And Hamza, what is his language? Lughatuhu al-Yabaniyatu. His language is Japanese. Wa hiya lughatun sa'batun. And it is hard language. Aina abuka ya Muhammadu? Where is your father, O Muhammad? See, abun plus ka abuka, then why waw is added here? So few words are there in that when possessive pronoun attaches with it, waw is added. That we will discuss below. So abi fil Kuwait. Hamid is asking, aina abuka? Where is your father, O Muhammad? So he is saying, abi fil Kuwait. My father is in Kuwait. Huwa tabibun shahirun. He is a famous doctor. Wa aina ummuka? And where is your mother? He aidan fil Kuwaiti ma'a abi. He is in Kuwait with my father. Ma'a abi. Hiya mudarrisatun hunaka. She is teacher there. She is a teacher there. Hamidun, adhahabta ila al-Kuwaiti ya Muhammad? Did you go to Kuwait, O Muhammad? already the verb is used here that we discussed. أذهبت إلى الكويت? Did you go to Kuwait, O Muhammad? Muhammad is saying, Naam zahabtu. Was that means yes, I went. Abuhu, sorry, was Zamiluka, and where, and your friend Aina Abuhu, where is his father? Abuhu fil Yabani, his father is in Japan. Huwa tajirun kabirun, he is a big merchant. Alaka akhun ya Muhammadu, do you have a sister, O Muhammad? Already we discussed in the grammar video. La is a possessive or ownership words. So you can see this structure, how it works in the grammar video. Alaka akhun ya Muhammadu, do you have a brother, O Muhammad? Naam li akhun wahidun, yes, I have one brother. Akhun wahidun means one brother. Ismuhu Usamatu, his name is Usama. Wahuwa ma'i huna, and he is with me. Ma means with, he is attaching with it, so means ma'i means with me, and he is with me here fil madinatil munawwara, madinatil munawwarati, in Madina Munawwara. Wali ukhtun wahidatun, and I have one sister. Ismuha Zainabu, her name is Zainab. وهي في العراق مع زوجها, and she is in Iraq with her husband. زوجها مهندس, her husband is an engineer. حامد أعندك سيارة يا أخي, and do you have a car, oh my brother? لا ما عندي سيارة, no, I do not have car. عندي دراجة, I have a cycle. حمزة عنده سيارة, he has a car. So this was the text. Now exercise is getting started here. Answer the following questions. So ma ismuka, few questions are there that is related with you. Ma ismuka, what's your language? Or either you can give the answers by seeing the text above. Ma ismuka, just I'm reading the question. So if you ask me ma ismuka, I will say ismi Shakirun. Min aina anta, where are you from? Ana min al Hindi. Okay, I'm from India. Ma lughatuka, what's your language? Lughati al Urduyatu. Aina abuka. So my father, he's here in Hyderabad. I can directly say in India. So abi fil Hindi. Aina ummuka, where is your mother? She is also here in India, so I can say ummi fil Hindi. Alaka akhun, do you have a brother? I will say naam indi brother akhun. Alaka ukhtun, I have sister, so I can say li ukhtun, naam li ukhtun. Aindaka sayyaratun, I do not have car, so I can say ma indi sayyaratun. Aindaka darrajatun, so I do not have cycle too, so I can say la ma indi darrajatun. Aindaka khalamun, yes, I have pen, so naam indi khalamun. So these questions are related with you. You should give the answers in your notebook. Min aina Muhammadun, where is Muhammad from? Ma lughatuhu. Okay, you now read it and translate it. No, need not to translate, just directly give the answers of these questions. Or you can use the above text also. Now, what do you have to do here? You have to attach this who or ha accordingly at the suitable places. هذه البنت الطالبة. البنت طالبة. هذه البنت طالبة. So this girl is a student. Ismu, who or ha, for female ha is used. So ismuha Zainabu, her name is Zainab. Muhammadun tabibun, Muhammad is a doctor. Wabnuhu means, and his son. His son, what should be used for his? Okay, I hope you have understood with these two blanks. Again, I'm reading the third one for you. هذا الرجل تاجر كبير. This is this man is a big merchant. Ismu, ha or who? Abdullah. So what is his name? ismuhu. Who should be used here. So you read the two sentences by yourself. Two, no, three are there. Then do it. Already we discussed in the text what it is asking. Make 5 questions with their answers on this pattern. You have to use indaka khalamun has been used here. So indaka kitabun. In this way you can ask indaka saatun. Do you have watch? So 5 questions with this naam answer, positive answers. Means yes answers. Again we have the same question with the negative answers. So you have to make again 5 questions on this pattern. Okay. So complete the following on this pattern. Baitun is the word given here. So with the help of baitun, you have to use like this. Baiti, baituka means my house, your house, his house, her house. Qalamun, one more word is used here. Hada qalami, this is my pen. Hada qalamuka. In this pattern, he is making hada qalami, hada qalamuka, hada qalamuhu, hada qalamuha. Means ye ka hu ha, like this. Ye ka hu ha means my, your, his, her. Uh, Here the words are given to us. Kitabun. So kitabi, kitabuka on the pattern above. Kitabi like this. Baiti here. Kitabi, kitabuka, kitabuhu, kitabuha. After that you have to use the same word as hada. Hada kitabi, hada kitab, hada kitabuka, hada kitabuhu, hada kitabuha. So you have to write here in these blanks. Sarirun, ismun, many words are given. So you have to do practice here. You have to write here in the blanks. Li means, you know, I have. Laka, you have. Lahu, he has. Laha, she has. Already we discussed in the video this pattern. Li ukhtun wahidatun. I have one sister. Alaka akhun, do you have a brother? La. Mali akhun. No, I do not have brother. Ukhti laha tiflun saghirun. My sister, she has a small baby. Zamili lahu akhun wa ukhtun. My friend, he has, or you can directly use Zamili, my friend has. For has, again, you have to use in this way. He has, or either you can say has. Zamili, my friend, has akhun wa ukhtun, brother and a sister. Here in bracket, it is saying, which already we discussed in the video. In the kitabun, in the word is used for non-living thing. That means have or has. And for living thing, we use li. See, brother. Li akhun. La nakhulu indi akhun means we do not say indi akhun because indi is the word used for non-living thing and li is used for living thing. See, now and the pronoun is used as objective pronoun. See, ma means with. Kharaja Hamidun ma Khalidin. Ma is the preposition that gives kasra to the last letter. Hamid came out with Khalid. ذهب الطبيب مع المهندس. The doctor went with the engineer. جلس المدرس مع المدير. The teacher sat with the principal. من معك يا علي? Who is with you, O Ali? معي زميلي. My friend is with me. Okay, معي, with me, my friend is there, or with me, my friend is there with me. In both the way you can translate. Aminatu ma'a zawjuha. Amina is with Aminatu ma'aha. Amina with her husband is there. Okay, this is a long translation. خرج أبي من البيت. خرج أبي من البيت. My father came out from the house. من خرج معه? Who came out with him? خرج معه عمي. My with him. معه means with him. My uncle. Which uncle? Mm, paternal uncle. Means the either the elder brother of your father or younger brother. Okay. Not the brother of your mother. Paternal uncle means the brother of your father's side. So kharaja ma'ahu ammi, with him. Ma'ahu, with him. Kharaja ma'ahu ammi, with him. My uncle came out, or my uncle came out with him. Here is the structure of few words. When possessive pronoun attaches with these words, waw is added. Here waw is not added. Baitun, baituka, baituhu, baituha, baiti. But few words are there. Abun, akhun, ukhtun. Not ukhtun, abun, akhun. Two words are there here. Abuka, waw is added. Abuhu, abuha. You have to remember this pattern. Okay, it is there in your reader too. Abi wa ummi fil baiti. My father and my mother is in the house. Aina abuka. See, waw is added. Aina abuka ya Hamidu. Where is your father, O Hamid? Dhahaba ila suqi. He went to the market. Akhuka tabibun. Is your brother doctor? La huwa mudarrisun. No, he is a teacher. Zainabu fil Riyazi. Zainab is in Riyadh. Riyadh is a city in Saudi. أخوها في الطائف. Again, Taif is also a city. أخوها في الطائف. Her brother is in Taif. وأبوها, and her brother is في المدينة المنورة, in Madina Munawwara. هذا الطالب أبوه وزير. This student, his father is a minister. وأخوه تاجر كبير, and his brother is a big merchant. ذهب أخي إلى المدرسة. My brother went to the school. وذهب أبي إلى الجامعة, and my father went to the university. محمد, خالد, حامد, عباس, محمود, حمزة. Few words are there which do not take two zammas, and they end with the feminine sign, but they are the male words only. Hamzatu, Talhatu, Usamatu, these are exceptionals. Muawiyatu, Ikramatu. So here we have seen this. Read the following proper name vocalizing the last letter in each of them. See, Khalidun, Hamzatu. Here we have to pronounce the last letter clearly because a few masculine names end with one zamma only. Okay, Ammarun, Anasun, Muawiyatu, Hamidun, Usamatu. Whichever the word is having this round ta, they take in the names. In the matter of names, not it happens with all the things. Wherever the ta is ending, especially with the names only. Here on this page, all the grammar is discussed. So we need not to worry about it. Just go through the vocabulary. So we have completed the entire book here. Thank you very much.